think they're coming. Go ahead and take him. I think the others must have left. Gonna fly? Get him again. Dead bird. Dead bird.
A piece of straw in my gun.
Yeah, good shot.
Didn't reload.
There goes Peppy.
Another one's must have took off.
I don't know what happened to those others.
Something spooked them, I think.
Good dog. Come on. Good dog. Good dog. Come. Come. Come on. Peppy, come. This is our blind here at Newell Lake, front of our blind, and we're done hunting today. It's February 6th, 2013, and Bert and I got our limits, a limit of 4 each, so we got 8 geese today. Bert with his proud geese, and 8 geese there, and this is our entrance to our blind, and looking out from the front of the blind, this is our decoys out there, about 70 decoys. So we had a good day of hunting.